Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing good. Without further ado, let's have a talk regarding Elena Kagan's lifestyle and short biography. Elena Kagan is an Associate Justice of Supreme Court of the United States. She was nominated by President Barack Obama on May 10, 2010 and has served since August 7, 2010. So, let's know in details about Elena Kagan's lifestyle and short biography. Her real name is Elena Kagan and her nickname is Elena. She is a Supreme Court Justice. Her ethnicity is mixed and her zodiac sign is Taurus. Elena Kagan is now 60 years old as in 2020. Her birth date is April 28, 1960. She was born in New York City, United States. She is an American by nationality. Elena Kagan's physical stats. Elena Kagan's height 5 feet 3 inches. Her eye color is black and hair color dark brown. Elena Kagan's net worth as on 2020 is $1 million approximately. Next topic, Elena Kagan's education. Elena Kagan went to the Harvard Law School 1986, Worcester College 1983, Princeton University 1981, Hunter College High School 1977. Educational qualification, graduate in law. Next topic, Elena Kagan's family. Elena Kagan's father's name is Robert Kagan and her mother's name Gloria Kagan. Elena Kagan's siblings, Irving Kagan, Mark Kagan. Lastly, let's have a talk on Elena Kagan's favorite things. Favorite colors, black. Favorite sports, baseball. Favorite politician, Barack Obama, Bill Clinton. Thanks for watching this video. Stay with our channel. Make sure you subscribe our channel. We will be back with another video. Thank you.